Hello everyone, my name is Denis and I'm starting from value. Here you can see PRE data. On the left side it is a mortality rate, and on the right side you can see TBSA. It is a percentage of burned skin, and PRE used if you have burns over 30% of your body, and you can see that with a 90% mortality rate without PRE, quite high, more than 80%, and lots of them made via car crashes or something like this. And I think if your pharmaceutical actually reduce mortality rate, and you can see like triple from overall condition, I think it is awesome and it is definitely interesting to research. But first of all, I suggest you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because it's quite hard to make a video for every idea. First link in the description down below. Vericel May 2021 corporate presentation. Here you can see how our revenue grow, and actually it is super nice and I like it. Plus, in 2020 they showed us profitability, and it is definitely a plus. They have MACI production, and it is expensive knee treatment option, and here you can see how it look like. You're passing a biopsy, then they discover what's wrong with your knee, then they create template and deliver it into your knee. Simpler, less invasive, significant reduction in surgical time, and it is good because surgical time it's quite expensive. And they have some kind of a focus for sport guys who actually can pay for this procedure because it is super expensive. 2 billion plus addressable market. Annual revenue only $94 million, but you can see that revenue quite slowed down, but I think this is only because of COVID problem, and in the future it will be more revenue. And the second niche, it is a burn industry, and actually here they're talking about next breed, but the FDA actually not approved this pharmaceutical, and it is not really interesting to talk about it, but I think it is a technical unapproved, and everything will be okay with the next breed in the future. Only FDA approved permanent skin, and actually it is a super good thing, and we talked about in the beginning, very nice reduction in mortality rate. And here you can see addressable markets in the United States. $100 million for VCEL, and Nexobrid only $200 million. It is not really high amount of patients. Medivond Ltd received a complete response letter from FDA and has determined that it cannot approve the BLA in its present form, and I think it is a good sign. They will just fix all problems, and they will receive approve. And actually you can see this drawdown from close to 70 to 50 on this news, but from my point of view this company extremely expensive, and the same thinking Guru Focus Value overpriced extremely, and this value is fair only for the end of 2023, and it is like 3 years. From the other side, I really like when you see something like this, and I hope, and they write about it, that they will reach 80% in profit margin, and maybe 50% in EBITDA, and I think it is awesome. Super sweet data from 10K report. Currently, over 100 patients are treated with Epicel in the United States each year. In the year ended December 31, 2020, Epicel net revenues totaled $27.5 million, and it is $275,000 per one patient to Epicel. It is quite expensive from my point of view. And here they talked about market opportunity, and it is only 1500. It is like X10, maybe $350 million. Some analysts write that it is a fair value when it costs like $50, but from my point of view it is a little bit high. But from the other side, if we will see a total market crash and the stock go down to maybe 20 or 30, it can be a really nice company to buy. What do you think about Vericel Corporation? Please write down your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye bye.